How to use our automatic tool for Fibonacci levels. First, let's discuss what Fibonacci levels are and how and where to use them. Fibonacci retracement is a method of technical analysis for determining support and resistance levels. It is named after the Fibonacci sequence of numbers, whose ratios provide price levels to which markets tend to retrace a portion of a move before a trend continues in the original direction. Based on that, you can enter your position at an optimal point when the trend is formed. A Fibonacci retracement forecast is created by taking two extreme points on a chart and dividing the vertical distance by important Fibonacci ratios. 0% is considered to be the start of the retracement, while 100% is a complete reversal to the original price before the move. Horizontal lines are drawn in the chart for these price levels to provide support and resistance levels. Common levels are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. Let's take a look at the real example on Bitcoin daily chart. First, I'll insert the Fibonacci level manually, just to show how you can apply it in each situation. We're clearly having an uptrend which seems has reached a peak and might retrace a bit. We can set our perfect entry points now. Remember, Fibonacci is drawn from two limit points. Let's check on the chart. I'll draw it from the $64,823 down to where trend started at $8,621. Good. Normally, when I'm looking into a retracement to buy, I watch at the following levels: 61.8%, 50%, and 38.2%. Those are historically best areas to accumulate. Let's check how would our buying strategy work if we would buy at retracements. We can see that levels are well respected and are working as strong support and resistance. If we would buy more Bitcoin at a range from 0.618 down to 0.382, we would be in some good profits. You can also see that Fib levels are working as strong support and resistance. Fibonacci levels can be applied at any time frame and are normally well respected and used by professional traders to easier place support and resistance lines. Now you understand the use of it. Let's check how our trading suite can help you with that. Let's make the trading suite visible first and remove some indicators just for easier representation. I'll turn off buy and sell signals as well the dashboard and moving averages. Then I'll enable auto fibs. The important setting to set is fibs lookback length that tells the algorithm how many candles to watch. I have set the length to 500. Good, you can see that automatically drawn fibs are in the same position as our manually drawn were. Now you can move to different time frames and levels will be automatically displayed.